Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Clint Pulver. I travel the world as a professional drummer and keynote speaker, and we're here today in this arena on the 2019 speaking tour. And I've had a lot of people write in and ask what I use, what am I playing, and so I just wanted to show you guys the rig, show you guys the kit, and answer a few of those questions. So the kit itself, I play DW drums. We've got a 10, a 12, a 14, and a 16-inch on the toms. I'm playing a 22-inch bass drum, a 14-inch snare drum. Again, these are all DW Collector Series drums. As far as the heads, I endorse Aquarian drum heads. I have Force 10s on the two top rack toms, and then I'm playing the new Micro Super Kicks on the two floor toms. I love the depth, love the dark, warm feel that these heads give my floor toms. And I like my floor toms to sound like kick drums, and so they do a perfect job. I play the Super Kick 1 with the double patch kick pad on the bass drum head, and then I play the high velocity Aquarian snare drum. I'm also endorsed by Zildjian cymbals, and love the support I get from Zildjian, as well as Vic Firth drumsticks. These are my signature sticks. I play the X55 Extreme A, and absolutely love them. I play DW pedals, 9000 series pedals. I have my stick bag here. It's a little train whistle that I use in the drum solo piece, and yeah, that's pretty much the drum kit. Shout out to all my endorsers, Aquarian, Zildjian, Galaxy drum lights as well, which is not featured here on this rig, Vic Firth, the support and allowing me to do what I do, to give me the customer service, the gear, the teardown, the setup, everything that a professional drummer needs. These brands, these companies have done that for me. And so that's a little bit about the kit, and again, shout out to everybody for their support, and thanks for watching.